Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. Are you suffering from dry hair, your edges breaking, shedding? I've got the answer for you guys. See how this hair is all sheddy and breaking, guys. So all you need, avocado, fresh aloe vera gel, banana, 2 spoon of honey, 2 spoon of oil, drop of essential oil, three you can use any choice, and then you blend. Once you blend, go ahead and use it for your dry hair, shedding hair, your hair is breaking. This will help your damaged edges and damaged hair. If your hair is too dry and scalp itchy, dandruff, you name it, this fresh protein treatment will just help your damaged hair, your edges, your dry scalp, itchy scalp. You know, your hair is just, it's not stop. You just go ahead and use this fresh mixture. I'm telling you, this will bring your hair to life again, soft, easy to braid and comb. And that will stop the breaking instantly. So once you have applied all this fresh treatment onto the hair, go ahead and put shower cap and leave it to steam at least for 1 hour or 20 minutes. The longer you leave it, the better it leaves your scalp and hair soft. Then once that done, go ahead and mix this for later. You're going to need hair mayonnaise, hair food, and hair conditioner. Use two spoon and mix it just like so. You can add oil as well. Measurement, you just go according to your hair. You can even use more. Okay, so once you mix that, leave that aside. So later as well, you're going to need a moisturizer cream. That's my handmade cream. I have a full video as well that breaks everything down, or you can use oil. So as you can see, I've washed the first treatment out. Now you can see the hair. So once I've washed the first treatment, I shampooed very well twice. Then I'll go in with this treatment, then apply massage very well and detangle the hair, then leave it at least for 10 minutes. Then you detangle the hair over the sink very well. So once you detangle the hair over the sink, massage that scalp. That will make your hair just looking like this after washing it. As you can see how the hair looks soft, all the curls come back bouncy. You know, you can go ahead now and add your oil, your preferred moisturizer cream, you know, or your leave-in conditioner. The other tip as well, if you're using leave-in conditioner, always use it with oil because it doesn't leave your hair dry at the end, which I'm going to make another video for that, guys. So keep following me if you want to see more tip like this. And don't forget to subscribe as well. As you can see, this is my handmade cream. This will help your hair soft, regrow the edges, and then all that damaged hair, it would stop the breakage instantly. I am telling you, this water, it's like conditioner. You can use it for braids, to soften the hair, and then also to wash all that dandruff. If you want to braid your hair and your hair it's dry, you can go ahead and use it just like so. That will just leave your hair looking like this, guys. Follow me for more on my YouTube channel. I have full details how to mix that water, or you can always buy it in the shop. Yes, I also have this cream for dandruff, itchy scalp. If you don't want to use my handmade cream, you can always use this stuff I am showing you. They will help you. Follow me for more details like this.